Hey guys, what's going on? Darrell Addison, torpedopont.com. Guys, we make self-growing planters, and we grow food like this all of the time. We're growing 80 pounds of zucchini in 20 feet. We're growing 750 okra in 10 feet. And in just 2 feet, we're growing 5 pounds of your favorite. Yes, radish. 5 pounds of radish. And it looks delicious. I love it. Torpedo Pots are self-growing planters. Well, all you do is put your seeds and your plants in those planters. And they grow hundreds of pounds of food, like you're seeing those tomatoes that are being grown behind you. I never water. I never feed. All I do is come in, I put my seeds and my plants in, and it grows everything for me. I don't need to grow anything anymore. Torpedo Pot does it for me. And that's why we're able to grow hundreds and thousands of pounds of food in a short space. Torpedo Pot does that. And we do it all over the place. So if we're not doing it here, we're growing 70 heads of corn in just 10 feet and 350 tomatoes in just 10 feet. Torpedo Pot is no joke. We're the world's fastest growing system, and we plan to change everything, change the world. And we plan to feed the world. I'm coming out now to give me some breakfast. God bless you. Talk to you guys later. I like this stalk. That looks so good. It's like it's ready to be picked. Talk to you guys later. Bye-bye. Isn't that beautiful? Man, that is absolutely stunning. That is absolutely stunning. It's beautiful. Man, I'll pop you right off. You feel so full, too. You feel extremely full.